Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I have a Sephora unboxing haul to share with you. My Sephora right here, and they were having 15% off your entire order, so I picked up some things that I have been wanting for a while. So I'm going to show you everything. I'm super excited, and I am VIB through 2023, which I'm super excited about. Okay, we don't need that. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the first thing I picked up is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. So you guys know how I have the first one, and this one looked super pretty, and I've seen a lot of people do videos on it, so I really wanted to get it. And I really love Patrick Ta eyeshadows ever since I got the first one. So this is what it looks like. It's like a mirrored pink palette, and this is what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, this is going to be so gorgeous. So if you look right here, I'll show you the first one. The first one looks like this, and this is the second one. You can see that they're a little bit different in packaging, but I will show you what the colors look like in between each other. So as you can see, they are both different. This is more neutral, and this is more like rosy and pink. Like, hopefully you can see that. But yes, I love them both, and the quality is absolutely amazing. So I had to get this one. This one also has 2 cream eyeshadows, just like the first one, but holy moly, I need a swatch. So I'm gonna swatch just a shimmery shade right here. Like, that is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Then I'm going to swatch this like coppery one. It's like kind of like fiery. It has like some gold in it. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch one more because I can't not swatch another one. This is like kind of a darker shade. Let me swatch that. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I cannot wait to play with them. So that is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2. Okay, moving on to the next things. Hold on, let me like wipe these off my hand. All right, so the next thing I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their new palette that they came out with, which I have been seeing a lot of videos on it, and it's very, very beautiful. So let me open this box up, because apparently I cannot open boxes, or this box does not want to open for me. Why won't you open, baby? Okay, so this is the palette. It has like a nice texture to the palette, but that is what it looks like. And on the inside, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at those shades. They are beautiful. I cannot wait to play with them. So I'm gonna swatch. Oh, they're nice and like buttery. I love the way they feel. So, wow. That is one shade in one swipe. I'm gonna do this shade. It's kind of like a greeny shade. Very beautiful as well. And then I have to do this like purple called Wisteria. It's a matte shade, but oh my gosh, it's my favorite color. Like, those are very gorgeous. So I cannot wait to play with this palette. Okay, so moving on, the next item I got is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer, and this is what it looks like, and it's in the shade Medium 2. That's the shade I picked out, and I don't think I've ever tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury, and this will be my first item, so I'm super excited about that. Wow, this is gorgeous. Like, that packaging is everything, and the big old mirror, and that is the shade inside. It's going to be perfect shade bronzer. Like, I've been needing a good bronzer, and it has like really nice mirror, and the packaging is just beautiful. So that is my first Charlotte Tilbury product. Then I got this. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I've been looking for a good tinted moisturizer, and I got the shade Light 3, and hopefully this will work. But that is what the packaging looks like, and yeah, it looks like a good match for me for summer. I just like squeezed it to see the shade a little bit, but yes, it definitely looks like a good summer shade. So yay for that. I haven't tried that product before, but looks good. Then I got this. This is the House Labs, what is this? The lip oil, and then the shade is in neutral. It's just their clear one, so it looks like that right there. I've never tried anything from her brand, so this should be good if I can get it open. Okay, yay. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's a lip oil. I've never tried any lip oils, so let me see what it smells like. I don't think it has a scent. If it does, I can't smell it. But it's just nice, like a nice clear lip oil, and I've never tried any lip oil, so I wanted to try this one because I heard good things. And the very last item I got is the Tartelette tubing mascara. I've never tried any tubing mascaras, but I've seen good things on this one. I've seen a few videos, and yeah, this is the packaging. It's really pretty. I really like the packaging on it. And let's see what the wand looks like. Just looks like that. So that is everything from Sephora. If you have tried any of these products, let me know, and let me know what you think of them. And I hope you enjoyed this haul video. If you're wondering about the glitter on my cheeks, it's the ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed in the shade Disco Lady. Like, I love these. Can you see how beautiful that is? I love glitter, so yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone!